When making a board game, or any group project for that matter, there will be different roles for different people since not everyone can work on everything at the same time. In our case, when making our board game, there are 4 main roles that are given to our group members and each member has to fulfill their designated responsibilities. A project leader is someone who leads the project. They are in charge of making plans and decisions that concern the project's goals and direction. The project leader should be the one who is giving roles to team members and should motivate the team to work efficiently and monitor everyone's progress. A board designer is responsible for bringing a concept of a game to life. They are in charge of planning out what the best game mode is for the given theme, and they are the one that makes sure that the gameplay is smooth, interesting, and balanced. A rulebook designer is in charge of writing the rulebook of the board game that the team is designing. The rulebook designer makes sure that there is no possible way that a player can take an unfair advantage in the event of a game, and the rulebook designer has to consider all possible issues that may occur to prevent players cheating. A piece designer designs the pieces, cards, packaging, and even the board itself of a board game and attempts to make them appear as aesthetically pleasing as possible. This takes a lot of creative effort. In my case, while designing our board game, I am both the board designer and the piece designer. I am in charge of coming up with the viable concept of a board game with the given theme, that is biology. And I am in charge of designing the different objects in a board game to make them visually appealing to our target audience. As a board designer, I would have to create a design of a board game based on biology and would have to think of a way to incorporate elements of biology into a form of a board game and make it intuitive and fun to play at the same time. As a piece designer, I would have to attempt to make the assets of my board game artistically satisfying while also being faithful to our original theme. Above are our roles in our group project and what my responsibilities are.